What's up? This is Tyler with Most Simple Guitar Lessons. I'm going to show you how to play Put Me in Graves on acoustic guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. So to play this song, you're going to be in standard tuning with your capo on the 2nd fret. So the chords you'll need are A minor, open, open, 2, 2, 1, open, G, 3, 2, open, 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 3, C, X, 3, 2, open, 1, open, and F, X, X, 3, 2, 1, open. Then you'll need E minor, open, 2, 2, open, 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 and this F chord, 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. The strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down.